What's up, guys? It's Bendy back, and today I'm doing a video, and I got 2 new figures already, but I'll explain those at the end. I'm getting Elite Shield on Monday, which is very exciting. And today I got the used to be Disciple, Buddy Murphy. I'll tell you guys who are in the series: Jeff Hardy, Angel Garza, Sheamus Murphy, Rhea Ripley, and Roman Reigns. So guys, I'm just gonna unbox this. It's been a very long time since I've done an unboxing. Is it Finn Balor? King Corbin? I don't know. I don't remember. So yeah, we're unboxing Murphy in my mom's room. So I can't wait to get this figure unboxed. Elite Series 84. And is the new Series 85? Has 85 come out with? Cannot wait for Series 85 or 87 because of the Apollo Crews Elite. Sorry if I spoiled that. I just realized. Remember, I probably can't talk because I'm in the car. Okay. Kevin just texted me because we text a lot. Alright, here's the figure out of the packaging. Well, not out yet. This is such a great figure. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to have this with the Messiah. We'll take out the hands if we can, because it's always hard to get out the rare figure hands. I don't know if this is considered a rare figure. It's rare to me. I think it's rare. I will show you guys what he looks like with the shirt on. I cannot wait to put the shirt on. Oh yeah. Alright, Buddy Murphy, Elite Series 84. I'm definitely going to be doing some videos on this. And with this, like, setup, Kevin, one of them Messiah shirt. And guys, I mean, that's it. That's it. So, subscribe, like the video, comment, turn notification bells on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. KB out.